If you are wondering how some designer managed to get their work done so fast, let me tell you. It's not about the hard work, it's about the smart work. Here in this video, I'm going to share 4 most powerful Figma plugins that I daily use in my workflow to enhance my creativity and to speed up my workflow. Hi, I'm Harpreet and welcome to my channel. If you already follow me on my Instagram, you must be aware that I share a lot of Figma plugins on my Instagram page, which helps you enhance your design, helps you with the creativity, and it speed up your workflow also. So here today, I'll not share like all the 53 plugins which I have shared on my Instagram, but if you want to check, you can always go ahead and check this out. But here today, I'll share only 4 important Figma plugins which I use on daily basis in my workflow. So without wasting any time, let's jump into that. So we'll start with the most simple ones, which I use like almost like daily from 9 to 9 all the time. So that is UI faces. A lot of you guys already know about it, but here is it. I use it like all the time. You just need to create a few shapes, maybe in the circle or the rectangles or whatever the shape you like. Just go to your plugin tab and search for the UI faces and click on that. So once you have it, here are the popular faces that you can see. Then they have categorized into like humans, aliens, cartoons, and abstract. And this persona, that's new one which I haven't explored yet because it's paid one. So yeah, we'll stick to the popular ones, which again most of people use. I also use all the time. So you just click on that and there you go. You got a beautiful face on your card. You can use it for your testimonials, on your review sections, or on a lot of sections. You just need to export. But instead of going to Unsplash and search for the faces and then use it, or maybe using the same faces which every designer is using, you can use this plugin which is there. You just click it and there you go. Easy, right? And now here's the second plugin which I daily use. Speaking of Unsplash, we all use it, right? I know it. We all use it. Though there is one more website which I'm using a lot these days, which is called pixels.com. So they have the fresh websites and even videos for that matter. You can explore that. But here we are talking about the Figma plugins. We'll stick to that only. So if you go to your plugin tab, you go to your plugins, search for Unsplash, and there you go. Right. So here you go. You have like whole Unsplash website in your Figma itself, where you can just search for anything. Maybe let's search for abstract. Maybe there you have the paid versions and the free versions, which you can eventually filter also. And I always filter to the free ones. Everyone likes free, right? Just click the shape you want and then click on the image and it directly renders that. Right? It's easy, it's fast, and I really don't have to fiddle around a lot of tabs. It's just here. I just need to click it and it's done. Easy, right? So these were the 2 plugins which I use like on a daily basis, but these are the most simplest plugins I would say, and most of people are aware about it. So I'll stick to the same shape which I had. So we'll go to the plugins. We search for Looper Legacy. To play around that, see, it's creating already the different shapes, right? So just like that, you can even randomize the positions and you get with all the stunning patterns, and that's as simple as that. You can just use them as a logo into some sort of your website, or you can actually create a logo. You can use it as a pattern also, however you like. It's totally your creativity. How do you use it? So yeah, that's it. It's a simple one. I won't say it's a simple one. It's just you need to play around with a lot of stuff to get the desired pattern you like, or the pattern which goes with your design or howsoever, right? And one more thing, if you're wondering how did I added this card design here, for this one I have created another YouTube tutorial video for which I use a plugin called noise and textures, which is the current new feature in Figma itself, but I used the plugin which is again far better than the feature which is there in the Figma. So you can always go ahead and check out. I'll give the link to the video in the description, or maybe here or somewhere there. I don't know how does it go, but it's somewhere here. Okay. So these were the 3 plugins I use like on daily basis, but this force plugin, I absolutely love it. So it's more like, how about if I give you a plugin so that you don't have to open Photoshop to create the mockups, right? And yes, it's free. Partially it's free, but yeah, it do all of the work. I use it like on daily basis, either if I have to share my designs with the clients, or if I have to share my designs on the Instagram or LinkedIn or anywhere on the social media. So you just directly go to your plugins, search for mockup plugin, and you get this plugin on the top. You click on this, across this one. Ads are everywhere. Scroll down a little, latest free mockup. Click on view more, and there you get the huge list of free mockups. In fact, it starts with the mobiles, then you have the posters, magazines, and laptops, the signboards, and a lot. Even the watches, tapes. The list is huge. You can just go and explore about it. But how to use it? Let's assume I want to use this one. Click on this one. So click on this plus icon. Now you just need to click on the layer which you want to show in the mockup. So I have this design of this mobile design here already. Just click on this. It will load. You click on the crop, and there you go. And just click on the paste. It will paste the design for you also. Right? Then just close it, and there you go. A high quality mockup. You can use all the free mockups they have. You might have to explore a little more to find the suitable options that you like, and that's how it goes. So that's it for the day. These were the 4 most important plugins I use like on daily basis, and I love them. I can't really survive without them. So this last one, this I literally loved. So yeah, that's it. If you want, if you liked this video, if you like the content, please don't forget to subscribe or like this video or share it with your friends. And for more content like this, you can always please subscribe my YouTube, or you can follow me on my Instagram also. I share stuff like that all the time there. I'm even more active there. For longer tutorials, you can always subscribe on my YouTube. And yeah, we are good to go. Have a good day. Cheers.